Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Wi-Fi isn't working on your iPhone. So for example, your Wi-Fi just keeps on spinning and it's not able to connect to your phone, then here's how you can fix this. It's actually quite easy. All you need to do is go here into settings where we already are and then go into general. We're going to scroll down till we find transfer or reset iPhone, and then we're going to click on reset and we're going to click on reset network settings. This will basically just restart your phone and it will basically reset your network settings to default, so all your passwords for your networks will be gone. However, this most of the time fixes the issue if you can't connect to your Wi-Fi. So just simply click on this, it will reset your phone, it will do some things, and then after a few minutes your Wi-Fi will probably be fixed if you just did this. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if this worked for you. If it did, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.